Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a location asset in Google Ads step by step. First, sign in to your Google Ads account at ads.google.com. Make sure you are using the correct account that manages your campaigns. Once you are inside your account, go to the left-hand page menu. Click on Campaigns. After that, click on Assets. This is where you manage all additional information that can appear with your ads. Now click the blue plus button. From the list that appears, select Location. You will now see options to link a business profile. If you own the business locations, select Our Locations. This will allow you to connect your Google Business profile, which was previously called Google My Business. Choose the correct business profile account and follow the steps to link it. If you sell your products through other retail stores, choose Affiliate Locations. This option allows you to select retail chains that carry your products. Search for the retail chain and select it from the list. After choosing the correct option, follow the prompts on the screen. Confirm your selection and then click Save. Your location asset is now added to your account. Thanks for watching.